to clarify some things on the velocity banking strategy for the common man. One of my viewers so thoughtfully asked, hey, what about the interest? Isn't that interest that credit card is accruing each month? Isn't that going to kill you? No, not at all. Let's go ahead and recap our last lesson on how you can pay off $2,000 with $1,000. And after that, I'll show you how the interest is going to be very minimal on your credit card as you accrue it. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at this example from last week. And we want to let you know that you make $1,000 for, let's say, the month of August, right? And you actually owe $2,000 in the month of August, okay? For some reason, you weren't able to make the full $2,500 that month. No need to worry. This is how you're going to pay that off, all right? Let's say you have $1,000 in credit card bills, all right? And $1,000 for expenses. That's the gas. You got to take your kids, to Chuck E. Cheese or whatever it is nowadays, Peter Pan, Piper Pizza, and, groceries and different things like that. All right. That's the $1,000 expenses. And you also have $1,000 in your credit card that you need to pay. So how are you going to do it? This is how you're going to do it. You're going to take the $1,000 that you've just made and you're going to go ahead and place it on your credit card. All right. When you place that $1,000 on your credit card, you've just paid your credit card off, right? Absolutely. And after you pay your credit card off, wait a couple of days. I would say wait maybe 4 days and then pay your expenses with your credit card. Let me go over that again. You paid $1,000 that you made into your credit line. All right. So now your credit card's paid off. You're going to wait a couple of days for that payment to post. And then that $1,000 that's on your credit card, okay, you're going to pay your $1,000 expense, whatever that is. You're going to pay that $1,000 expense with your credit card. Now, let's go on, and that's how you pay $2,000 with $1,000. Now let's go on to the average daily interest. Let's say that, the interest that you're accruing on your credit card, it's an annual percentage rate of 0.21%, okay? That's the interest, all right? So when you pay your expenses with your credit card, you have a $1,000 balance again on your credit card. So as you are continuing, all right, with that $1,000 on your credit card, let's say you have to keep that $1,000 on your credit card for the full 30 days. Okay, how you calculate average daily interest and the interest for that month is as the following. You take $1,000, okay, that's your balance on your credit card. Then you multiply it by 0.21. That's 21%. Okay? You're going to multiply that. Don't worry, I've got an old school calculator here that's going to go ahead and multiply that for you guys so that you don't have to do it. How's that? That's $210. Now remember that 21% is annual. So that's $210 in interest a year. What we need to do is divide it by 12. Why? Well, because that's going to be 12 months in a year. All right. So divide that by 12 and it equals $17.50 a month that you'll accrue with that $1,000 on the credit card. Okay. So, and then divided by old school here, 12, that equals $17.50 a month. Okay. Look. At $17.50 a month. And that's what you're accruing. Now remember, the $17.50, you would have to determine if it's worth it or not to you. Would you rather pay your bills and keep your car and keep your, and keep gas in your car, keep groceries in your kids and your wife's and your mouth? Or would you just save on that $17.50? Let me tell you, this is a life changer. And I want you to know that if you ever get in a bind or you get confused about how this method works, don't hesitate to comment. Absolutely. Share this video all around the world. People need to know that they are not stuck in one mindset of money. No way. There's so many to the real estate investor, and this isn't even a 100th of what we can teach him as you continue to look at the videos and continue to see who we are. Cunin J. Wallace coming at you. I just want to let you know that this is real. And if you have any questions, just let me know.